Hi, I'm Daniel Frank, marriage and family therapist, and here's a short video invite to join us in our landmark couples communication course, which is called Dialogue, the Key to Connection. Now, this landmark course comes in two parts. Second one is where we actually focus on the protocols of dialogue. However, it's not easy to get to dialogue. The work that I do with couples, I find that dialogue is critical, but it's so difficult for couples to get there. And so what we did is we created a prerequisite course called Getting to Dialogue. And it's a course that we focus on three key competencies that if you can master those, you'll be a master dialoguer and therefore be in the best position to create a connectful marriage. So this course, this 4-part series, Getting to Dialogue, is going to be run on Zoom because of the times that we're living in, so everything is online. And if you send me an email, even just a blank email, to gettodialogue@gmail.com, you'll get an automatic response with the Zoom address, a link, together with the passcode. Now, it's a limited enrollment, so it's first come, first serve. And I think we'll have a nice time together. We'll have very practical tools for learning the key competencies. And by the time you're done with that, you'll really be ready for dialogue and to bring your two worlds together. Okay? Look forward to seeing you then. All the best.